Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. Let's make a delicious roast beef using our Ninja Foodi. On my board here, I have got a piece of top rump, and this weighs 1.3 kilograms. So just so you know that for reference, what I'm actually using. We're going to be steam roasting this, and I cannot wait for it. So let's put a little bit of oil over the beef. Let's give it a little rub, a little massage. Let's look after this piece of beef. It does look a really nice piece, I do have to say. And onto that, I'm going to be putting some mustard powder to really season this. So again, I'm just going to rub that into the meat and give that some good flavour. A little bit more on the other side and just rub that over. Gorgeous. I'm going to be using the probe to cook this so that we get a nice accurate cook. So you want to make sure that this part goes in to the thickest part of your beef like that. Give it a push in. When it comes to cooking beef, everybody's taste is going to be slightly different. But you can see here that it's showing that I've got the probe inserted. I want to go over to the middle section and I'm going to go on to steam roast. I'm going to be using the preset here and then I'm going to go down to beef. Now you've got different options. Obviously you can start on rare and then you can go up from there. So medium rare is 3 and 4, medium is 5, etc, etc, until you get up to 9. So there's lots of settings there. I find that with beef, it continues cooking. So if you like that nice pink flesh, then you want to kind of cook it a little bit less maybe than you think you need to, even though we're using the probe in the Ninja. It's pretty accurate, but I always go on the lower side ideally. And don't forget, this is an exclusive Christmas book recipe. So if you would like the full method and this written out, then please do go and grab a copy of my Christmas book, which is available on my website. The beef was beautifully tender and still really pink in the middle, which is how I wanted it. If you want the full list of ingredients, then that will be in my Christmas cookbook. Thanks for watching.